we can all be a little forgetful.
I suppose. Why didn't you answer any of my letters? I sent you hundreds.
Whenever I go home after work, I'd forget where I lived. Guess I missed your letters.
Forgot where you lived? How could you forget where you lived?
Don't take that superior tone with me.
Seaweed could take a superior tone with you.
You're such a bully. A beast.
Porridge? I had an awful dream, I did. Oh my, such a good dog. Let's go home.
Why can't you remember anything?
I can remember things. Hey, when did we get underwater?